Here's how to make stickers on Snapchat. Now, if you're on Snapchat and you've seen other people create their own custom stickers, I'll show you the entire process on how to do that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Snapchat app here, and you have a couple different options to create a sticker. One is from your own photos or videos. So, for instance, I can take a quick photo and say this is the photo that I want to create the sticker from. I can tap on the little paper clip, or not the paper clip, the little scissors icon, and it says make a sticker, outline the object. So let's say I just want to outline my head. Just like that, I've created this sticker that I can add to any snap, any conversation, any message, all that stuff. Now, this is for my own photo or video, but I can also do this for other people's snaps. So let's tap on the two people at the bottom right. And we can just open up a random story. Now on here, I'm going to tap and hold on here and hit remix snap. Now that I'm remixing the snap, all I have to do is take my face out of it here, and I will be able to take, let me get out of that. Go back into remixing the snap. I'll be able to take a quick photo or a video of this. Now that I've done that, I can also use the little scissors icon and take a sticker of this. And just like that, I have a sticker of this random snap or random story or whatever it may be from someone else. And I can move this around. I can always send this to different people and basically do with it whatever I want directly from here in Snapchat. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you used to have any questions. Thanks, guys.